Welcome to my channel.
Netgear AC750 Wi-Fi range extender setup. How to set up Netgear AX3700 using WPS setup method. Plug your Netgear AX3700 Wi-Fi range extender into a working wall outlet that is near to your existing Wi-Fi router. Locate the WPS button on your Netgear AC750 extender. After that, push and hold the WPS button on your Netgear AX3700 extender. After a few minutes, push the WPS button on your existing Wi-Fi router. The WPS LED on your Netgear AX3700 AC750 extender will become solid green and the 2.4 GHz link rate LED will light up. Note: if your main Wi-Fi router supports the 5 GHz band, simply repeat steps 1 and 2 and connect your Netgear AX3700 AC750 extender to the 5 GHz band. Move your Netgear Wi-Fi extender to a new location and connect your Wi-Fi enabled devices to the Netgear extender's Wi-Fi network. That's how you can complete your Netgear AX3700 setup using the WPS method. For any technical issue, call now 1-866-889-0666. Using Netgear Installation Assistant. To complete the Netgear AX3700 Wi-Fi range extender setup process using the Netgear Installation Assistant, follow the steps. Plug your Netgear AC750 Wi-Fi extender into a wall socket. Open an internet browser and enter MyWiFi in the address bar. New extender setup page displays. Select the Wi-Fi range extender button and click on Continue. Now, enter the network password or passphrase and click on Next. Connect your Wi-Fi enabled devices to your Netgear AC750 EX3700 range extender and click on Continue. Complete the registration fields and at last, click on Finish to complete the Netgear AC750 EX3700 extender setup process. Now, unplug your Netgear wireless range extender and move it to a new location that is near to your existing Wi-Fi router. For any technical issue, call now 1-866-889-0666. Thanks for watching.